Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday, Whiskey Wednesday, or Wine Wednesday. Hey, let's go have some wine today. Whatever. Yesterday was a bit of fun. I prepared, let me get this right, jerk shrimp tacos with pineapple salsa. The hardest part about this whole meal was the pineapple salsa. A lot of knife work, mincing everything. But it's therapy for me. I love doing knife work. I really do. I already had the jerk seasoning because I make my own blend. So just moments before I get the shrimp in the pan, I decide I'm going to add some shallot and some garlic to the pan. So I get it done. It was a great addition. The photos and the videos are up. The recipe should be up around 8:30. I pre-posted it last night. Yesterday, I worked on the cookbook just a tad, but I'll get back to that. Tonight, I'm not making dinner because Robin's going to be in Oakland at a banquet and she won't be home till late. But I am preparing a new dish. Robin really likes barley. So she asked me to do some recipe research for salads for summertime that use barley. You've heard of farro and rice and quinoa, but barley, I think, is a underutilized grain. So I did some research. And I come up with a Mediterranean barley salad. So I'll be preparing that today. Let's take a look. Simple hardware. Just to cook the barley. Of course, there's a bowl involved. We got the barley. I got oregano, kosher salt, black pepper. It's really funny because the recipe in the ingredient list calls for a seedless English cucumber. Now, I don't know about your market, but my market don't carry seedless. I know how to get them out. All right, so we got an English cucumber. There's lemon juice, lemon zest, red bell pepper, some veggie stock, just a little bit of olive oil, some Kalamata olives, feta cheese, green onions, which came from the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market last Saturday. The greens are pretty wilted. I'm still making a determination if I'm going to use them or not. The white ends are still pretty good. And of course, there's some flat leaf Italian parsley in this dish. So, yeah, should be a good time. The hardest part for me, really, there isn't one. It'll be a bunch of knife work. Big deal. But this will be for tomorrow night's main meal, which is actually, in the list, it's BLTs, but Robin and I don't buy lettuce in a head, like an iceberg head, because it just goes to waste. So basically, they're going to be bacon tomato. The tomatoes came from the farmer's market. That's one of the reasons why I went. And I'm going to add the avocado I forgot to add last night to the tacos. Oops. Yeah. But the tacos were still really good. Try the recipe. It's great. And if you want the jerk seasoning blend, contact me. All right. So on this Wine Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.